Let me show you easily the best, very affordable security camera that you can get. In this video also I will show you how to properly set up, how to use it, how to install it and how to operate it as well. So inside the box we get our security camera and the form of it is absolutely awesome. So you see, looks like a huge light bulb, and it can be screwed in any E27 basically socket. Also you can get these in a bit different socket styles as well. So in the description I'll include a special discount link where you can get these for the cheapest price. So personally I got mine from AliExpress and I paid only like $7 for mine, and that also was with free shipping. And again you can choose the socket style basically depending on your country here. So again, for this price, I think it's totally unbeatable. So yeah, make sure to check out those special discount links if you also want to get it for similar price. So again, literally only like $7 with free shipping. Also, we get this mount as well. So you see, you can install it and hook it up to electricity. So basically like a basic E2927 socket here. Also, we get our quick manual here. And also the mounting screws here and the plugs as well. So you can either insert it inside this provided socket, so if you want to install it, or you can literally plug it in any like light bulb holder that you might already have. Maybe you have basically some light bulb air sealing, so you can simply like screw it in there and it'll work. So again, you do not have to actually use this, so this is simply included if you need to install it. So if you look at the shape, yeah, this looks absolutely awesome. And again, this is 360 camera, so this like camera itself can rotate pretty much in any way. So you see, and obviously also in the app we can rotate it. Also it has got speaker and microphone as well, so it transmits audio. We can insert our memory card here. We have the reset hole here, and also this has got infrared night vision as well. So even if you install it somewhere where it's completely dark, you can see it at night as well with this camera. So you see, the sensor actually is pretty cool on these. Okay, first let's set this camera up. So take your memory card and insert in the slot here and make sure it clicks inside. Then I'm going to screw in my power. So I'm simply using this table lamp for this demonstration. So again, any socket where you can screw in bulbs will do. So let's turn it on, and next you simply need to wait for the camera to start talking with you. So let's see.
Camera is starting. Please wait.
So wait a bit. It will like test itself and prepare for the usage. So
Bluetooth
see.
is ready. Please scan the QR code on the camera and wait for the connection.
Okay. Now and at this point we have to download the application called V380 Pro. Also pay attention to this QR code on the back, you might need to scan it. So yep, let's basically download this app and open it up. So I'll show you how to set up. So agree to these terms here. Okay, and also you need to create an account here, or also you can log in with Google. So simply click here. Okay, so I logged in. Skip these, and also make sure to click here. We have to give permissions for this app. So enable the location permissions and also Bluetooth permissions, otherwise it won't be able to find it. And then click confirm, and then we have to click add device here. Yep, allow this. And as you see, you have two choices. Either you can simply point your camera at this QR code here, or also if everything is okay, it should ultimately find itself. So look over here. If it finds, you can simply click here. If it doesn't, you can literally just take your camera basically and point at this QR code right on the camera over here. Okay, so I'm simply going to tap here. Yep, agree. Okay. Click here. Confirm. And also we need to select our Wi-Fi network that we are going to use with this camera. Also one more important thing, your Wi-Fi network has to run in 2.4 GHz frequency. If you have 5 GHz Wi-Fi, you have to actually go in settings and change it to 2.4 GHz. It doesn't work with a modern 5 GHz, which is a bit ridiculous. Then, so yeah, simply choose your Wi-Fi network name here and enter the password of it. Let's check. Yeah, so and there's a Wi-Fi network password here. And if everything is okay,
please enter a 4-digit password. 4910.
okay.
Received configuration information.
So you see we had to input the number the camera was saying to us.
Connecting.
It says connecting.
Network connected.
Yep.
Bind successfully. Camera ready.
Okay, so wait a bit more. We can skip this, so it's some cloud storage offer, view device. Okay. It will just give us some like information how to use it here. Okay, and as you see the camera is already working here. Yep. Also, if we click on the picture here, so enlarge it, as you see you can get like decent picture over here. Also, we can enable the sound here transmission. So by default, basically the sound doesn't get transmitted unless you enable it over here. Also, we can change the recording resolution here, so like SD, HD. Also, we can turn on the light on the camera as well. So you see, or also auto light. Okay. And also we can send a warning signal essentially. So yeah, if you want to scare someone, for example, click this.
Caution, you are under surveillance. Caution, you are under surveillance.
So you see, cool. Okay, and also you see we can basically control the camera here, move it around just as you want. Also over here we can zoom in as well if you want to. Also take a picture at any time. So it takes picture, for example, of what's going on at the time. And also we can record in our phone storage as well. So if you press this button, it will record in your phone memory, not only in the micro SD card as well. So you can stop it. And also if you click here, you can also talk with someone. So send like a voice message through the camera. So you see. So you hold it. Hey, what's up? So you see, you can basically like press this button, hold, speak in the phone, and the sound will basically come outside the speaker of this camera. So where do we have the speaker? So over here we have a speaker, so the sound is coming basically out here, and someone can hear you basically as you're talking with him. And also over here, if we click on the more, I see you can also even enable motion tracking as well if you want to, like light control. You can configure basically the picture quality here, and also even calibrate basically this movement of the camera as well. If you go back here, click here, settings, you can even configure more things here. So you see, for example, the auto like basically rotation of it. So it covers like larger area here. Also what's cool, this camera even has night vision as well. So if you basically turn off the light, so let me turn off. Okay, so it will take maybe like a few seconds to turn on it once it detects that there is darkness. So you see, it basically turns on this night vision. We have 4 diodes here that can see in the night. In my phone, I'm not sure how well you can see, but you see basically this is like black and white at the moment. So yeah, let's see. So it's able to see in complete darkness as well here. So yeah, absolutely awesome for this price indeed. And when it comes to the image quality as well, I'm actually fairly surprised at just how decent it is. So you see, if you check the image quality, it's actually very decent indeed. At this price, actually, I was quite surprised at just how nice the image quality is. For example, can we read the text here? So you see, definitely, yep. So yeah, for this price, actually totally unbeatable in my opinion. And overall, is this security camera actually worth it, and should you maybe get one? Well, I can actually highly suggest this particular model because in fact in the past year I have actually tested multiple of these very cheap cameras. For example, also you might have seen model like this, which also is very popular, but in my opinion this is far superior model over here, because not only the picture and video quality is better than on this one, but also the app is like really 5 times better. On this one basically they have huge problems basically connecting, also retrieving the footage, and again it's a complete faff to actually use it because the app completely sucks on these. But on this one it's absolute joy to use, and everything can be connected very easily and fast essentially. With this one I see so many people struggle, but with this one it's actually like a pretty much flawless process and it works straight away. So for this price I think it's totally unbeatable. So yeah, if you also want to get it, simply make sure to check out those special discount links I'll include in the description. If you follow those, literally only like $7 or $8 depending on your country. And again, that also is free shipping. For this price, really totally unbeatable. So yeah, not only decent image quality, also decent sound transmission, night vision, and the app as well actually works very decent. And there isn't any much problem, especially connecting, configuring, and also retrieving the footage as well from this camera. So yeah, it can record in the memory card and also in the cloud storage, but obviously the cloud storage isn't free. You have to pay subscription for that, but again you do not have to do that, so simply insert the memory card and then again everything gets recorded here. Or also yeah, you can simply open that app and also view the footage in live mode. So also that works pretty decent. Okay, good luck.